Access driving controls using the touchscreen and steering wheel. Activate your turn signals by pushing the indicator stalk up or down. Your turn signal will turn off automatically once your Tesla detects that you've completed a maneuver, like a turn or lane change. Manually disengage the turn signal by pushing the indicator stalk up or down. Press this button to flash your high beams and reveal headlight settings on the touchscreen. When your headlights are on, press and hold to fully engage auto high beams. Press once to disengage high beams. If you prefer to dim your high beams manually, tap here to disengage auto high beams. Honk your horn by pressing the center of your steering wheel. Press here to wipe the windshield once and bring up wiper settings on the touchscreen. Use the left scroll wheel to select between wiper speeds or set them to auto. Press and hold the wiper button to wash the windshield. To shift, press the brake pedal to reveal the drive mode strip on the touchscreen. Swipe up for drive, down for reverse, and tap P for park. To shift into neutral, go to Controls and hold Neutral. If you need to shift manually, press the P, R, N, or D buttons located on the overhead console. If these buttons are ever unavailable, press the brake pedal and press 1 to illuminate them. Turn on hazard warning flashers by pressing this button. If a severe crash is detected, hazard warning lights will turn on automatically and flash quickly to increase visibility. Pressing once returns the lights to their normal cadence, and pressing a second time turns them off.